welcome to the channel. And first, I might disappoint you a little by saying that the Samsung A07 does not come with a built-in screen recording feature. Samsung decided that this function wasn't necessary for this model, but I also have some good news for you. You can add this feature yourself. And I'm not talking about installing one of those ad-filled apps that everyone else on YouTube recommends. I'm talking about getting the same screen recording functionality used on Samsung's premium flagship phones, allowing you to record high-quality videos with microphone audio or internal system sound. You won't find this feature in the Play Store. In the end, you won't need to open an app every time you want to record your screen. Instead, you'll get a screen recorder button right in the Quick Settings panel. If you're interested, watch this video carefully because there are a few important details. If you miss them, things might not work exactly as expected, but I can assure you that the process is actually very simple, and if the video feels too fast, you can always slow down the playback speed. Let's get started.